In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the roller cleaning in your Canon Pixma G4270 printer. We'll do the automatic roller cleaning and we'll also do the manual roller cleaning in this printer. If you are having an issue with your printer to pick up the paper, then you can do the automatic roller cleaning. Go to the printer display panel and scroll down, select maintenance, scroll down until you see the roller cleaning and press OK. Confirm it. Remove any paper you have in your printer at the paper tray and then press OK. So if we look inside, we can see how it is going on. Paper roller is here. Automatically it will clean, so it's moving. So let's close this section. Install letter size or A4 size paper. Press OK. So at least 3 pages it needs, and then it will just use them. Now we can press OK and click on the home button. Now in case you want to do the manual roller cleaning, you can just lift it from here. That is just straight there in that portion. We can see the roller inside. Now if you want to clean it a little bit more, you can use a toothbrush and just try to clean it here. So it's quite accessible from here. It will move and it will clean. Any dust or dust particle will come out. Now if you want, you can again repeat the automatic roller cleaning. So any dust there will come out itself. This way we can do the roller cleaning in the printer. Thanks for watching.